Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Vasist from class 8th. I study in British Scholars Academy, Amroha. Today I am here to present my views and my opinion on the topic plastic and the environment. As we know, plastic is a very big threat to the environment, so we will do a case study on plastic and the environment. The new age or the going on age is the age of plastics. All domestic items used by us today are made up of plastic such as mugs, buckets, chairs, ball pens, etc. There is no end to the number of plastic items used by us today. Now, let us understand the two kinds of plastic. The first kind of plastic is thermoplastic. These plastics are very soft and can be molded into any shape in many times. The examples of these plastic is polythene, polystyrene and polyvinyl chloride. The second kind of plastic is thermostatic plastic. This is a plastic, it is very hard and if it is once molded, it cannot be molded again. The example of this plastic is Bakelite, melamine and Formica. Plastics are strong and durable. They can be molded into any shape or sizes. Plastics are cheaper than metals, so they are widely used in the industries to form many household articles. Making unbreakable kitchenwares, decorative items and the glass floor tiles, etc. And polythene is used in making carry bags, adhesive tapes and pipes to transport liquids. Plastics are bad conductors of heat too. For this reason, Bakelite is used for making handles of pressure cookers which are made up of steel, and polystyrene is filled in the hollow walls of fridges and freezers, and these are also used for making ice boxes. Now let us understand about plastic and the environment. Plastic is a very big threat to the environment because plastic causes all types of pollutions and it is a non-biodegradable substance. The substances which cannot be broken into harmless or simple substances are called non-biodegradable substances, while the substances that can be broken into simple and harmless substances are called biodegradable substances. For example, cottons, cloth bags, jute bags, etc. And paper is also a biodegradable substance. Disposal of plastics leads to the following hazardous diseases which cause to environment as well as to humans. Plastic waste do not get completely burnt and produces toxic gases which causes dumping of plastic waste into water causes water pollution, and because of this many fishes die every year because of their no fault. Now we throw plastic bags, disposable items and packets of chips and chocolates here and there in the streets. The streets look ugly and it provides the breeding grounds carelessly thrown here and there are responsible for the drainage and blockage in sewer lines. Now we will understand about the solutions to the problems that are created by plastics. The first way is that we should know the 5 R's principle, that is reuse, refuse, recycle, reduce and recover. This is the best way that from which we can prevent us from using plastics. The second way is we should avoid using the plastics. Like we should not take poly bags when we are going for shopping. We should ask for a cloth bag, jute bag or cotton bag. We should not throw waste, disposable chips packets on the roads. We should always throw them in non-biodegradable. It has affected the health as well as life of human beings very badly. Some incidents have attracted the attention of the whole world and put a question mark about the plastic used in daily life. So we should avoid the use of plastic in our daily life. So now I am ending my video. This was all for today. Hope you understand and now have a nice day everyone.